Playwright with a TypeScript or Python. Which one we should learn? Do you want to learn Playwright but confused between TypeScript and Python? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I will help you to decide which language is best for your automation testing career. Hello everyone, welcome to Madhu Tech. So I am Madhukar. Today we will compare Playwright with TypeScript and Python. Which one have the better job opportunities and which one we have to learn? Right. First of all, what is Playwright? Playwright is one of the automation testing tool for modern web applications to automate. So here, like this Playwright, we have the n number of tools. We have the Selenium, UFT, Tosca, Cypress, Selenium like this. But here, the main competition at this moment, Selenium and Playwright. So, whereas in present scenario, many companies are now moving from Selenium to Playwright because faster and easier. Not only that, there are many advantages: reports creation, so auto wait, so easy to integrate with the AI. So that many advantages are there when you go for the Playwright. But the problem is the Playwright also will support the multiple languages to develop the automation test script. Playwright also will support the multiple languages to develop automation test script like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C Sharp, Java. But majority of the employees also who are working on Selenium, when they want to go for the Playwright, they have some confusion here. Which language we have to go? The high competition will be TypeScript and Python. One by one, first we'll see advantages, then we'll decide it. So Python advantages. Python is very easy to learn. The code looks simple and clean. Even if you are new to the programming language, you can start learning quickly. Python it is. That's why many beginners love Python. Many beginners, the programming side, can learn the Python it is. Python wins for beginners. Now, TypeScript advantages. TypeScript help us write better and safer code. It can find mistakes while we are writing the code. The compilation is going to be done while writing itself. It will go to give some intimation to the programmer. Most Playwright examples and documentation they explained using TypeScript. Many companies also prefer Playwright with TypeScript. TypeScript wins for professional projects. Professional projects, TypeScript. Which one gets more jobs? Before going to this, let me show you. So, as you know it is, I will go to the Naukri. Just I will go into type here, Playwright automation. We'll see. So, which one they are going to prefer more? Playwright automation. So, Playwright automation. Which language they said my here? Python or TypeScript? TypeScript. Second one, they are not mentioned. Okay, leave it. Either one they want. Now, next one, if you see, so here also Playwright lead position. So they are not mentioned the which language it is. Okay, TypeScript, TypeScript, Playwright, TypeScript. See, out of 5 or 6, when we see, all are showing the TypeScript or Python. The simple logic, my it's a, this website is not mine, no. Practically, I'm showing to you. If someone said it's go for Python, Python means data science who learn Python, they know it is. Easily they can learn the Playwright to us. They will become a competition to you. Understand? So don't go for the your convenient to learn the subject. So companies what they expect from you, what they need, that you have to learn. Okay. Now see that which one gets more jobs. If your goal is automation testing jobs, today many companies are looking for Playwright with TypeScript. That is the skills are looking. Just now I showed in the Naukri also. Because modern web applications are built using JavaScript and TypeScript. So what is my final recommendation is if you want to easy learning, if you are completely new to the programming, then choose the Python. If you want to better career opportunities in Playwright, if your goal is automation testing and Playwright jobs, more job opportunities you are looking, long-term career growth means, then choose the TypeScript. That's the skill most companies are looking for. Once again, I'm saying that don't go for which is convenient to you to learn. Try for which companies are expecting that to update. Even though there's a risk, so better opportunities you are going to get if you go for the Playwright with the TypeScript. Okay. Thank you, everyone. If you feel the information is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe Madhu Tech Hub YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.